Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix this login error that you might see when you are trying to access your account on Snapchat. So if you do see this pop up, I will show you some ways to fix it. So your first option is to check your network settings. What I'm going to do here is turn it on and off, my internet connection, or try to connect to other networks nearby you. Same goes to your mobile data or cellular data. But if that still doesn't work, this is the second option. You want to go on your settings and go on the general, click on your iPhone storage, and then look for your Snapchat. And then basically click the offload. This is gonna remove or reset your Snapchat without really deleting anything. But if that still doesn't really work, in case you have VPN on, make sure you turn that off as you are trying to log it in, as it could be the reason why you are having that login error. So make sure to turn that off and then try logging again. If that doesn't fix it, go on your app store and search for Snapchat and basically try and see if it is updated or not, because sometimes applications does update to fix the bugs that they have on their application. So just make sure that your app is up to date. Our last option is to go on the Safari and basically search for Snapchat support. Then click on the very first one that we see. Scroll down and click the contact us. And we're gonna wait for it to load, and I'm gonna choose here the I can't access my account, and there's a following question, and I'm gonna choose the very last option. So now just scroll down and click the yes to answer that you still need more help, and then you're gonna have to fill up all this information so they can help you directly and your Snapchat account directly as well. You can also put an attachment, which is just a screenshot of the login error that you keep seeing when you try to log in. And for the message or the description, you can just copy what I say here. And then after that, just click submit and they should get back to you and help your account.